Hi, good day guys. My name is Alex with tips and tricks on LG's home entertainment within South Africa. Today, we're looking at the LG S70TY. We're going to talk specifications, connectivity options, as well as features that will elevate your listening experience when it comes down to movies, music, gaming, and sports. So without wasting any more time on the intro, I think we should dive straight into the specifications. When it comes down to the specifications of the LG S70TY, it does have a unique 3.1.1 channel output, which means that we will have 3 front-firing speakers located on the soundbar, 1 dedicated wireless subwoofer, and a center up-firing speaker located on the soundbar. LG introduced these center up-firing speakers to deliver dialogue clarity and as well to make the sound feel like it's coming from the center of the TV. And this also does help with synchronization of audio and visual output so that you can also get a more immersive experience when watching your films. When it comes down to the connectivity options, you are looking at an optical in, USB input, and for wireless connectivity, you do have Bluetooth version 5.1. It does have 1 HDMI input and 1 HDMI output with support of eARC, which is audio return channel via HDMI cable. Its input also supports 4K pass-through with up to 120 Hz with support of auto low latency mode and variable refresh rates, and the pass-through of the HDR formats will be HDR10 and Dolby Vision. Now that is housing a lot of connectivity options for you. If you're looking for the perfect harmony between an LG TV and an LG soundbar, then the S70TY will deliver features like WOW Interface and WOW Orchestra. But what are these features? Well, the WOW Interface allows you to see a menu on the LG TV screen that will show you the soundbar connection status and as well as change the sound settings mode available on the soundbar. So you can go from standard to bass blast, all available on the LG TV. But what is WOW Orchestra? Well, it is going to elevate your listening experience by synchronizing the LG TV speakers with the LG soundbar speakers by delivering dialogue clarity from the TV and the soundbar delivering the main audio output. Now that is surely going to fill your entire room with audio for a more immersive listening experience. While we're on the topic of perfect harmony, how we achieved this one body design is through the Synergy bracket, which is compatible with LG Qnity. For a full list of LG Qnities that are compatible, please find them down below in the description. But this allows you to attach the LG soundbar to the TV's body without having to drill additional holes to accommodate your soundbar to be directly under the LG TV screen. When it comes down to the 3D surround sound solutions that the S70TY delivers, it will come equipped with Dolby Atmos and DTS X technology. Ultimately, these 2 technologies will place sound around you, even above, creating a lifelike audio listening experience for your music, movies, and gaming. And in addition to the 3D surround sound solution, the LG S70TY is compatible with the LG SP-T8S, which is a rare channel expansion kit, allowing you to add that rare coverage in your soundstage listening environment. When I'm listening to a soundbar, I'm a fan of convenience, and the S70TY will definitely deliver that with remote control via mobile. So through the LG Soundbar application, I can control its functionality, its sound settings, its frequency, all of those jazz and whistles I can do directly from the LG Soundbar app available on iOS and a Google Play Store. The LG S70TY will support AI Sound Pro, which categorizes different sounds into effects, music, and voices, and then applies the ideal settings to deliver the most optimal audio experience. Guys, this is the end of the LG S70TY review, and as always, I hope you guys stay well until the next one. If you guys do have any further more questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll try my level best to attend to all of them. I'll leave a link down below in the description that will take you to a landing page to purchase from South Africa. But guys, I'll see you in the next one.